Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back on my channel, Crypto Victoria. So, guys, today I am again come with an amazing, awesome, and unique platform in the world of cryptocurrency. So, guys, here I will give you a complete review about this awesome CFI platform. Here I will tell you how you have to join our pre-sale, how you can earn a lot of profit, and here I will explain you each and everything. You have to don't miss this golden opportunity. You have to join right here now, guys. And before starting their further amazing review, I would request, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. As you know, I always come with an amazing and awesome platform, guys. So guys, let's start review now. Welcome to C5 protocol. So guys, let's go revolutionizing finance with AI and DeFi. Here is Launchpad, lending, borrowing, and AI driven. So you have to just join here AI driven insights. And here I will tell you how you have to buy this awesome token. And there is very easy way, guys. And I have placed all of the official links of CFI protocol in my video description, where you can easily join this. You can buy this. And guys, before starting their further and next amazing review, I have to say something that I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment, and I am not responsible for your any profit or loss. So here you can see that, guys, their stage one pre-sale is now started, and our price is 0.01, and next stage we have to start our price, that is 0.015. So it will increase. Before starting that, you have to write join here now, and you have to just simply join our pre-sale, guys. And this is a real world assist like farmland and intangible IP, while unlocking new possibilities in stacking, borrowing, and lending. So empowered by AI driven analytics and a decentralized launchpad. And guys, this is the CFI is your gateway to the future of finance. Join the movement, experience CFI today, right now. And here you have to join. Guys, here you can see our beautiful profile here. And guys, this is audited by SPY Wolf and Verify Live. Here you can see how you have to buy, guys. Guys, you have to go over in pre-sale stage one by Safi now. Here you have to connect your wallet. Which wallet, guys? You have to connect your MetaMask wallet here, and here you have, after connection your MetaMask wallet, you have to put some Ethereum here, and then you can easily buy. Here you can check that I have also put my MetaMask wallet here. After connecting your MetaMask wallet right here, you have to go to our site, that is Safi, and here you have to connect your wallet. And after connecting your wallet, you have to put now write some Ethereum here, and as you can see that I am also putting here. So here you have to put some Ethereum, like how much you want to buy. It's on to you. So you have to switch your network on Ethereum, guys. You have to check it out when you are buying, because we are on the basically on Ethereum network. So you have to select your network, as you can see that, and here you have to put some Ethereum, how much you want to buy. It's on to you, guys. Three, as you can see that I have put like this amount, so you can put, and you receive this Safi tokens in your wallet. So you have to just put here. And guys, you can also join your, you can also join my refer link, and here you can check it out. You can check your here some bonus by using this referral link. So you have to join right here now. I also put my referral link in my video description. You have to must join here, guys. This is very amazing and awesome. Secure the future, join Safi protocol. And guys, this you have to take part in the next evolution of decentralized finance with Safi presale. And we have to discount the tokens and dive into a groundbreaking ecosystem uniting AI real world, assist tokenization, and community led governance. So you have to your path to AI driven decentralized innovation. Being here, step into the Safi ecosystem today and perhaps the future on AI chain finance. So guys, this is AI driven DeFi engines. We have to also precision at the heart of Safi lies to the driven AI driven DeFi engine, a specialized computational layer designed to handle real world assist tokenization with unmatched efficiency, and this supports secure and scalable with AI workflow for task lives, so revenue distribution, farmland, yield updated, and also compliance automations. So you have to join here. This is the empowering the future of decentralized finance. At our DeFi platform, we offer innovative and secure solutions designed to cater to individuals, business, and blockchain startups, ensuring transparency, scalability, and profitability. So, guys, this is the decentralized financial solutions with the AI enabled lending. Here you can see confidently self customer. security, transparent assets, automation, and you can also check it out our innovations for decentralized ecosystem that we have to get a decentralized launchpad, investment for higher returns, and also regulatory compliance via smart contracts, building a decentralized network, and we have to also do a blockchain startup support here. Guys, these are our exclusive partners, Coinpedia. Here you can see Crypto Daily, Encyclist Inside, Benzenia, and the Times of India. These are the all of our partners. So transforming blockchain and AIVM. So transforming tomorrow with the AI-driven blockchain. So guys, here is our collateral mechanism, AI fortified vertical engine, transparent data integrations, and you can also check it out stacking and TEU governance by stacking by participating unlock voting power share in protocol review. And guys, here is also a landing and launchpad fuel new assist opportunities via SAFI launchpad empowering farmland, and you can also decentralize decision making. This is our exclusive roadmap. As you know, guys, I always tell you if you have to join in a platform, you have to must check out their roadmap because it get all of their past, future developments about their platform. So you have to must read this. What we have to do, we have to divide it into different phases. What we have to do in phase one, what we have to introduce development phase two, three, four, five. So you have to before joining, you have to read their roadmap. Guys, this is our pre-sale token allocation. Here you can see this is our tokenomics, and here we have to set 45% for the pre-sale, 2% for marketing call team, 3%, and here is liquidity exchange listing 15%, stacking and reward 13%. So this is our official contract address which you have to copy when you are buying. Guys, you have to must check this when you are buying, and you have to simply go if you not understand what we have to SAFI protocol. So here is the our core mission. What we have to do merge AI analytics with real world assist tokenization such as farmland, intangible IP, committees under a transparent community. That is, guys, here is our white paper is also available. You have to must download this. Guys, if you not understand yet, then you have here is process how you have to buy. You can read this how to buy SAFI tokens during the pre-sale. We have to provided our guidelines. Firstly, you have to do connect your wallet MetaMask, then you have to put your network Ethereum network, then you have to put some Ethereum required, then you have to go to our AI pre-sale platform, our website, then you have to put your payment in Ethereum or USDT, and you can purchase your amount and you can get this. So it's on to you. Here is also available here, guys. You can also win 1 million safi here, and this is coming soon. There is our docs is also available, guys. You can this check this, and here is guys also our. So guys, this is our introduction. Here you can check it out our white papers, our what is the VN of safi and what is the our red safi protocol white paper mission VN, each and everything is available. It is each and everything is available in our white paper, guys. So you have to must download this, and here you can get all of the detail of SAFI protocol here. So you have to download, and guys, this is our Telegram community where you have to join for our latest updations. This is our Twitter official account where you have to follow, like, comment, and retweet. Here is the all of our available, guys, with our latest announcement what we have to do upcoming. So here you can check out Safi combines cutting edge blockchain technology with AI driven tools, revolutionizing decentralized finance. So our pre-sale is, guys, I am again telling you, our pre-sale is now live. You have to join here, you have to come, you have to also invite your family and friends here because you get a lot of profit when their price will be increased. So you have to just join right now. Here is our pre-sale is now live. If we do in upcoming, we have to do in stage 2. So before that, you have to join here. I hope you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm again saying you have to join here. Our pre-sale is live now, guys.